Elsewhere, the family of late University of Jos student Rinji Bala has welcomed the verdict that sentenced the police sergeant to death 5 years after the young man was killed. The Plateau State Judiciary delivered the judgment this week, bringing a long and emotional legal battle to a close. Phenom Joshua has details.
It was on May 12th, at the height of the COVID-19 lockdown, that 300-level University of Jos student Rinji Bala lost his life. Rinji and two friends were arrested for moving during curfew hours. They were searched, beaten, and eventually told to run. But as they fled, a police sergeant rear outer fired a fatal shot into Rinji's back, an act the court has now ruled was intentional and unlawful. In a landmark judgment, the Plateau State High Court, presided over by Chief Judge Justice David Mann, found Sergeant Outer guilty of culpable homicide and sentenced him to death either by hanging or lethal injection. At the office of the prosecuting counsel, Garba Pool, he explained that despite the convict's claim that the shooting was accidental, forensic and medical evidence proved otherwise.
First of all, to the family of the victim, it is important to note that even the death by hanging or lethal injection served on the person who committed the offense is not sufficient compensation because it does not bring back the life of the person who is gone. But that is the highest that human society can do.
When TVC News visited the Bala family home, Rinji's father reflected on the 5-year wait for justice, a period he described as emotionally draining. He welcomed the judgment, but urged the judiciary to speed up cases involving grieving families.
Because of the nature of our legal system in Nigeria. But we also at some point believe that if we allow things to just slide like that, it will keep reoccurring. And so we felt there was need for the law to take its course. There is no periods when crime is right. No matter how long it takes, definitely justice will come someday. So even though it has taken quite a number of years, but at least the law has spoken.
The family later led our crew to Rinji's gravesite, where the pain of his loss remains fresh.
5 years on, the family of Rinji Bala finally sees justice, reminding all officers to uphold professionalism. Phenom Joshua, TVC News, Jos.